All right, good morning, Algebra 2 students. Today is Monday, January 4th. I want to wish you a very welcome back from break. I hope you had a restful time and a chance to kind of recharge the batteries and then get ready to go again here as school starts up in the new year. So where we were in Algebra 2, we were kind of in Chapter 6, which is one of the harder chapters, and we split it into two parts. So like there's a first part and a second part. So we're working our way through the first half, and we're kind of halfway through that. So if you look down in our folder, for chapter 6. Right before break, we did kind of a weird lesson on matrices and ACT because we kind of had an extra day in there. So that's the last lesson we had. But right now, we are going to finish out the rest of the first part of chapter 6. We have 6-3 this week for 2 days, Monday and Tuesday. Then we have 6-4 for 2 days, Wednesday and Thursday. And then Friday will be a review day. And then we're going to come back and test on the following Monday. So the test is a week from today. It is one of the harder tests, so I strongly encourage you to make sure you're participating in these assignments and whether you're watching the video lesson or coming to class, just make sure you're getting this stuff done. I'll try to mix in some review this week too, but that's our plan going forward. If you have any questions, as always, reach out, and I look forward to working with you again this week. All right, take care.